Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are filing taxes in 2025 and wondering whether TaxSlayer is worth it, you are in the right place. In this quick no fluff review, I'll break down the real pros and cons of using TaxSlayer this year. Let's get into it. What is TaxSlayer? TaxSlayer is an online tax filing platform that has been gaining popularity for its affordable pricing and user-friendly design. Whether you are a first-time filer or a side hustle pro, it is designed to handle both basic and complex returns. Pros. First, let's talk about the pros. Affordable pricing. TaxSlayer is one of the most budget-friendly options. Their classic plan starts around $19.95 and includes all tax forms, something competitors often charge more for. All-inclusive federal filing. Unlike TurboTax or H&R Block, TaxSlayer doesn't charge extra based on your tax situation. Freelancers, investors, and gig workers, it's all included in the classic plan. Fast and simple interface. The platform is clean, mobile friendly, and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Plus, it auto imports W2S and supports refund tracking. Great for the self employed. The self employed plan includes IRS audit assistance, access to tax pros, and industry specific advice, all for less than big name competitors. Cons. Now let's look at the cons. Limited free plan. The free plan only covers simple tax returns, no dependents, no itemized deductions. If you have got anything more complex, you'll have to upgrade. Fewer bells and whistles. TaxSlayer skips some features like automatic crypto import or live chat with tax pros in lower tier plans. If you want premium support, you will need to pay for it. State filing isn't free. Even with the free federal plan, state returns typically cost extra, usually around $39.95 per state. Verdict. Now, bottom line, TaxSlayer is a solid, affordable choice in 2025, especially if you know your way around a tax return. It's fast, transparent, and budget friendly, but not the best fit if you want handholding through every step. If you are confident and looking to save, give it a shot. And that's all for today's review. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment, and see you in a new video.